Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a awesome phone protection case by a company called Temdan. This is the box it's going to come in once you order it. And this case is particularly for the Samsung S21 Ultra. So this is what it's going to look like when you open it up. And what's great about this case is it's got scratch resistance, it's got drop proof. So we'll go over all that, but let's show you what everything you get first. So first off, you're going to open it up, and you're going to do that by just simply sliding your hands along the groove of the phone case and then just slowly undoing it. Okay, so once it is open, so the first thing you're going to want to do is it's going to come with a protective screen. Just peel that off, and then you can see you have a nice clear plastic here, outer coating. Which is nice about this is it's scratch resistant. It also doesn't hold up those fingerprints, and it stays clean a lot easier. And this is a waterproof case, so it shows less water spots on it. And then as you can see, it has a bump here around the camera section, which helps protect the lenses and keeps them nice and secure. Now, in addition to what you're going to get everything, you're going to get a little holder. If you want to put this on your case, you can. You're going to get some cleaning wipes. You're going to use these to make sure there's no dust or fingerprints on your phone before inserting the case. You'll use the wet one first, then the dry one. It's of course going to come with instructions to tell you all the little features and how to operate it in a quick instruction guide. Then you're going to get the back case itself, which same thing, remove the protective case just simply by peeling that off. And then there's a little insert here that you will remove too. Now, if you notice, right there is a thing for the fingerprint, and they include extra one of these little protectors as you need them. So you're going to peel this off, and it's going to basically, leaves this a little bit thinner right there where you would put your thumbprint. And then finally, there's this, which will help also clean off the dust and gunk. Now, with the fingerprint part, it's worth noting when you set this up on your phone and you put your phone in the case, if you have your fingerprint basically already in your phone, you need to redo it again so that way it's still sensitive through the extra layer of protection. Otherwise, you may have some issues with it. Now, like I said, this is a waterproof case. So you can take this into the water up to about 6 feet deep, and it has an IP80 or an IP68 waterproof rating. Now, once you get this case, you should do a water test first. And how you're going to do that is you're going to make sure all the elements are sealed, which is really easy to do. And then you're going to put it in it like your kitchen sink, put it underwater, put a glass on it so it stays weighted down. And then make sure there's a piece of paper in there, and after 30 minutes, if that piece of paper is still dry, then you are good to put this on your phone, and it's going to basically, it's testing the connections, and it's going to test basically the kind of rubber bladders here that are around the connection points when you put in your various devices and plug things into your phone. Another thing I want to talk about with this case is, as I mentioned, it's got scratch resistance on the cover, but it also is drop resistant and impact resistance. And how that works is there's a little kind of extra space in here on the banding side. So when it falls, it is less likely and it won't crack your phone, which is really, really important in my opinion, because sometimes we always drop our phones, and that's how you break the front screen. Now the side also is got nice little gripping parts here, so it is slip resistant, which is really also nice. Another thing I want to note, because a lot of protective hardy duty cases here, they are not wireless charging. This is. you can wirelessly charge with this case, which is really important to me because I use wireless charging on everything. I never plug in my phone manually anymore, and so that was a very important feature. Okay guys, that is the ins and outs of this awesome protection case for your Galaxy S21 Ultra phone. If you are in the market for a case for your phone, I think this is totally worth checking out because it has a lot of great features that I personally like. If there was something I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.